Today, we're going to talk about the ProPricer Connect for Excel companion product, which is one of several companion products that EBS offers to enhance your ProPricer capabilities. Connect for Excel is a Microsoft Excel add-in that allows you to create your own custom document templates by inserting ProPricer data in a Microsoft Excel document. This data can be updated to reflect changes made in ProPricer, and it can also be switched to reflect data from a different proposal at any time. Connect for Excel is very useful for creating and updating templates for any type of document, such as price buildup sheets or cost comparison forms. Also, if ProPricer does not have a report that you need, you could create it in Excel and use Connect for Excel to include proposal data in it. These templates can then be updated with live ProPricer data. Let's see what the Connect for Excel tool looks like inside of Excel. After installing the application, you'll see a new tab in the ribbon of Microsoft Excel called PP Connect. When you first open this tab, you'll need to connect to your ProPricer database. To do this, click the Options button, then click the Browse button to find and select the ProPricer connection file for your database. This file should have the extension type .ppc. Then click Save. Now, the connection to the database must be established. This is done by clicking the Connect button on the ribbon. Before I continue, I'd like to point out that because this tool is connected to the ProPricer server using the same credentials that you use to log into ProPricer, you will have the same permissions for Connect for Excel as you do in ProPricer. This means if you don't have the necessary access tag to access data in ProPricer, you cannot access it in the Connect for Excel application. After you connect to your server, you'll notice that there is a task pane on the right. Here, you can select the proposal that data will be pulled from. This task pane also has groups of fields that are used to enter data from a selected proposal. This data includes data fields, custom pivot tables, and custom charts. There are also settings that determine how the data is displayed, such as the number of decimal places shown. Okay, let's get started. I'll be creating a simple price buildup report or P-sheet to showcase the range of functionality that Connect for Excel has to offer. As you can see, there are a few fields here that we need to populate with some proposal data. I have the bid year, proposal name, and some resources. I'll first select the proposal I want to use in the Select Proposal group by using the drop-down menu. Let's use Advanced Tank version 2. Over here, I need to input the proposal manager. So I will click here. Then, I'll open the proposal group, use the drop-down menu for proposal properties, and select Proposal Manager, and click the plus icon. The manager's name is now displayed in the field. Now, let's add the labor hours for assembly. Select the field to populate, then in the resource group of the task pane, open the drop-down menu under resource name and select assembly. Then, use the drop-down menu for hours, units, cost to select hours and click the plus icon and add the data to the document. But let's say there was a recent adjustment to assembly's hours in ProPricer. In this case, I can just click the Update Data Fields button over here to update all the data in the document. Next, I will customize and insert a pivot table into this document. Just like before, I'll start by selecting the field that I want to populate with the pivot table. Then I'll go to the Tables group in the task pane and click the Design/Insert Table button. To create this table, I'll put resource in the row area and year in the column area. I also want to show total cost, so I'll place total cost in the data area. Now that I've finished creating the pivot table, I'll click the Insert Table button located in the bottom right corner of the dialog window. And look, there it is. Now, if I decide that I want this pivot table to reflect a different proposal, I can use the Switch Proposals function. In the PP Connect ribbon, click the Switch Proposals button. Then, select the currently used proposal in the From Proposal drop-down menu, and the new proposal that you would like to see data from in the To Proposal drop-down menu. For the new proposal, I'm going to select Advanced Tank version 1. Then I'll click Process and watch as the new data is loaded into the pivot table. When using this method to switch proposal data, it is important to note that the tool updates all existing fields in the document that show the original proposal data with the new proposal data. If we go back to the P-sheet from earlier, you will notice that the fields I populated have been updated with the new proposal data. As you can see, over here we need the profit fee for Advanced Tank version 2 proposal. To add this, I'll first need to select the right proposal in the Select Proposal group. Then I'll click the field where the data is needed. Next, in the Proposal group of the task pane, I'll open the drop-down menu for the proposal cost and select Profit, and click the plus icon. And over here we have input an Excel formula to give us the delta in real time. It's a pretty nice looking report now, right? Okay, last thing I will show you in today's video is the Manage References feature, which is opened by clicking the Manage References button here in the ribbon. In this window that appears, every field that has been inserted in the workbook from ProPricer can be viewed, moved to another seller's sheet, copied, or deleted. This can be a very helpful feature when you're managing a document with lots of ProPricer data. So, let's review what's been covered today. The Connect for Excel companion product gives you the capability of creating customized Excel document templates by inserting ProPricer data fields that can be updated at any time. The product also gives you the ability to create, customize, and insert a pivot table into your document. With Connect for Excel, you can create any functioning price analysis report that you'd like, even ones that compare costs between multiple proposals.